Another Gotta Know Joe quick tip. The guy that invented this screwdriver, well, he must have been a pretty neat guy. I wonder how much money he made off of it.
Show me the money!
But I don't know, but I can tell you exactly, in the ballpark anyway, of how much money he's cost me. This and this have been problematic in the RC airplane field for a long time. When we've got this into a wing and we're trying to do this here, the first thing that happens is it slips off and
oh, not again.
Stabs right into our wing. I'm going to show you a quick trick that will fix that issue. Some blue tape, any masking tape will do. Get you a razor blade and try only to cut through one layer. If not, you're going to get a couple of rolls of this narrow stuff. Touch your little stopping point. Get up underneath that. Well, this isn't going well, is it?
Damn you!
Once it gets going, now what you have is a nice little long and skinny piece of tape. Get your wing nut or wing bolt. All the while keeping tension. And make you a couple of rounds like this here. And this doesn't really need to be that tall. About half of that would be fine. CA, this is foam safe, but that's not needed. Take the CA and put you some in there just like that and start rolling. If it's cold in your shop, you may need to help it around a little bit. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. The point is you want to keep it on the tape and out of your slot. Keep your slot clean.
What?
Now, if you have some, this always works to speed things up. And I just love the smell of this stuff.
What's up, boys?
I think this one's empty. Maybe I don't have any. Hello, my name's Joe Prepared. Little accelerator. I could wear that for cologne. Okay, and now what you want to start to get is just a nice little wall built up there. And like I said, it doesn't need to be this tall. Now, when this is in your wing, and you put that screwdriver in there, there's no way it can slip off. No more damaged wings, folks. quick tip from Gotta Know Joe Hobby Shop.